If the sea doesn't ripple, can be measured inside. If it is called the Jambak Tribe, you can hear the origin. The Jambak Tribe is one of the large clans or clans in Minangkabau. The Jambak Tribe are nomads led by campo or campo tigers who came from China, Kampa and Siam. The Jambak Tribe is not a fraction of the Kodo Pilihan and Bodhi Kaniago. The Jambak Tribe has its own branches, namely the Makashiak Tribe, Paw Tribe, Simawang Tribe, Talapung Tribe, Malay Tribe, Sipasang Tribe, Pisang Jambak, 10th Tribe, and the Beringer Tribe. The habits of the Jambak Tribe include live in groups of fellow Jambak people when doing meneruko or opening new land. So the area was named after the tribe. It is not surprising that every region in West Sumatra, there is a village called Jambak Village. The uniqueness of the Jambak Tribe. When holding a wedding party, there was heavy rain, even in hot weather, which has no sign of rain at all. Based on several sources, this is due to because of the harimau camper oath. When there is a long dry season, it begs for rain. At that time they needed water, and coincidentally at that time they needed water to hold a party. Apart from that, the Jambak Tribe also has habits, living in groups or living together in society. The Jambak Tribe is more silent. This means that the Jambak Tribe does not have all kinds of people.